This is Clay here at State Line Builders. We're selling utility trailers now. All sorts of different trailers. Dump trailers, car haulers, landscape trailers, equipment trailers. What we got right here is a new design by Nolan Manufacturing. It's a car hauler. It's a 10K. And it's got a full width 8.5 foot deck. Ideal if you got ATVs you want to put on there, or a truck with oversized tires. It's still a car hauler, but you're not limited to that 7-foot width. And it's not like a deck over where you got the height where the whole trailer is above the wheels, and then you have that steep incline of trying to get equipment way up there. This is still the low riding deck height of a regular car trailer, and it's got the dovetail on the back with the ramps that slide out. Perfect for your big side-by-sides. Come see us at State Line Builders in Elizabeth City.